Do you consider yourself a savvy shopper? Many people do, for things like clothing, appliances, and technology. But what about getting a fair price for auto repairs? Do you know what it takes to make sure you're getting the best deal? If you're already a great shopper, congratulations! You know how to do your research, check out reviews, and wheel and deal to get the best price and keep more money in your pocket. But did you know that you can also use those same skills for getting great prices on repairs your vehicle needs? Follow these helpful tips and you may be able to save some serious cash. And you'll have peace of mind that you didn't pay more than you should have to keep your car in tip-top shape. Checking out reviews can help you learn a lot about the repair shop you're planning to work with. See what customers are saying about their prices and service. If others got a great deal, chances are good that you will too. Talking to people you know can give you even more information. Find out from your friends and family what they like most and what they dislike about their favorite car doctor. If you know your vehicle needs a particular service, talk to several repair shops to find out how much they charge. Ask lots of questions, but don't judge on price alone. After all, you'll get what you pay for. By reading your vehicle's owner's manual, you'll learn more about the manufacturer's proposed preventative maintenance schedule for your specific model, and you'll know if a repair shop is recommending unnecessary auto repairs. If your mechanic is suggesting repairs that you don't understand, don't be afraid to ask questions to learn more. The more you know, the less likely you are to pay for something you don't need. When you have emergency vehicle repairs, you're likely to have to take service from whatever repair shop is nearby. To prevent this, follow your vehicle's preventative maintenance schedule and pay attention to any other repairs your trusted mechanic mentions to you. The sooner you take care of small problems, the less likely they are to become big problems. At Good Works Auto Repair, we let you know when we see something amiss, and we only recommend services your car actually needs. We also offer an industry-leading warranty on our work. So sit back and relax while we give your vehicle the TLC it deserves. Professional, fair price auto repairs are what we do.